Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Hiyashi Chuka, refreshing cold ramen dish for summer. You will need 2 servings of ramen noodles. For the toppings, 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 2 eggs, 1 atsage or farm tofu, 1 teaspoon of furikake, optional. For the sauce, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of water. Step 1. We are going to prepare the toppings first. Cut the cucumber into thin strips. Cut the tomato into bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Cut the atsage into thin strips. Cook it in either the oven or a frying pan until it becomes crispy, which usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Heat a frying pan, add oil, and cook the beaten eggs into thin omelets. Once cooled, cut the omelettes into thin strips. Step 4. We are going to make the sauce. Add the rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and water in a small bottle, and shake the bottle to combine. Taste and adjust the flavors as needed to suit your preferences. Step 5. We are going to cook the ramen noodles. Boil the ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and rinse them under cold running water to let them cool. Step 6. Place the drained noodles on a serving plate. Arrange the toppings on top of the noodles and pour the sauce over. I hope you will enjoy this tasty Hiyashi Chuka, Japanese called Ramen Noodles. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.